OnePlus is a brand which provides flagship quality phones at really affordable prices. After every 6 months, we see the Android phone prices going down further. Now that the price of OnePlus 70 have fallen further down, let's see the OnePlus 70's negatives and positives after 7 months of usage. So keep watching this video. Let's first talk about the accessories that you will be getting inside the box. You will be getting the handset itself, which is equipped with pre-applied screen protector, the 30 watts warp charger, warp charge cable type C type, which supports USB 2.0, quick start guide, welcome letter from the CEO, safety information and warranty card, OnePlus logo stickers, back cover, and SIM tray ejector. Now let's talk about the technical specifications. The OnePlus 70 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, which is built on 7 nanometers. It comes with 6.55 inches AMOLED screen which supports a 90Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus. The company calls this display a Fluid AMOLED. It has three cameras on the rear. The primary lens is a 48 megapixels Sony IMX586 with 0.8 micron pixel size. It also supports OIS and EIS and has a f1.6 aperture. It can record videos up to 4K 60 frames per second. The next lens is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.2 aperture and 1.0 micron pixel size. It supports up to 2 times optical zoom. The third lens is a 16 megapixels ultra wide lens with f2.2 aperture which gives a 117 degrees field of view. The front camera is a 16 megapixels Sony IMX471 lens with 1.0 micron pixel size and f2.0 aperture. The good thing about this camera is that it also supports the EIS, but it can only record videos up to 30 frames per second in Full HD mode. It comes with Android 10 out of the box, has two stereo speakers setup which support Dolby Atmos sound. It is splash resistant. It is a dual SIM handset. It is available in two color options, that is frosted silver and glacier blue, as well as in two storage options supporting UFS 3.0 in 128 GB and 256 GB. It is a single RAM version that is of 8 GB. The RAM is same in both the devices. Now let's talk about the positives of this phone. The design and feel of this phone is premium, no doubt. The glacier blue in matte finish is a treat for the eyes for sure. This phone doesn't lag at all. Oxygen OS is something which deserves to be appreciated, and we feel that it makes this 90Hz screen look like an even higher refresh rate screen. Prior to using a OnePlus smartphone, I always felt that the Oxygen OS is overhyped, but after using it, I find that I was wrong. The next good thing also relates to the software, but that's the software support or updates. OnePlus takes its community suggestions sincerely and sends regular updates to its devices. What's more exciting is that whenever there is a new Android version, OnePlus devices are the first ones to get those. There is no dearth of software support for a minimum of 2 years on OnePlus devices, and a user is guaranteed to receive timely security patches as well as at least 2 major Android software updates. Next in line is the camera setup. It is having the most practical camera setup. It has a regular lens, an ultra wide lens, and a telephoto lens, which makes this camera setup versatile. It also uses the ultra wide lens to capture macro shots, but the quality takes a hit. Nevertheless, it is always handy to have as many options as possible. Now, when we speak of the front camera, we must admire the quality of pictures and videos through it since it produces good results all the time. The night mode in OnePlus 70 is also good and doesn't disappoint at all. The next thing which is really good on this smartphone is that the warp charger can charge the 3800 mAh battery from 0% to 100% in about 60 to 70 minutes, which is a good thing. Suppose you are going out and suddenly you realize that the battery on your smartphone is low, and if you plug it on the charger for 15 minutes, you can boost your phone's battery by 3 hours to say the least. Also, while we are talking of battery, on paper the 3800 mAh battery seems okayish in today's times, but the optimization of the same has been done brilliantly by OnePlus. The fact that it is powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus also helps this, since this chipset is both powerful and power efficient. So you need not worry about the battery life on this one, as it can easily give you a day's battery life even while you may be a heavy user. The stereo speakers produce very good sound output. It has an optical fingerprint scanner, but it works flawlessly on most of the occasions. If we go to the negatives, the first negative is a peculiar point which we noticed during the usage. The Wi-Fi Direct is not there in OnePlus 7T. This is strange, as it is a very necessary thing these days. What it implies is that to transfer heavy phone data, you will have to rely on the third-party apps. If you are a kind of person like me who doesn't install too many third-party apps for the fear of security, then this might be a thing which you must bear in mind while going for this device. Now, the next negative point is that OnePlus doesn't even provide the basic kind of earphones inside the box of the phone. This is not a sub 15K phone, so I personally believe that OnePlus should include this basic accessory. The next thing isn't actually negative, it is more of an improvement. That is, the cameras are good, which have been further improved by OnePlus by timely software updates on regular basis. But it still doesn't compete with last year's flagships like the Samsung's S10 series or Note series or the iPhone's 11 series. I'm saying that this is a wish because those phones come at a more premium price. And while saying this, I must tell you that if you compare this phone's camera with the more premium brands in terms of the percentage, then it is about 90% as capable as those. So in no way should you think of it as a poor or average or even a good camera setup. It is in the very good category for sure. Now the question which arises is that, do we recommend you buying this phone? And the answer is yes, we do recommend you buying this phone at the present price point. There is nothing which will disappoint you about your purchase. Please like this video if you found it useful, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you are notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in the next one.